Hello everyone, this is Mundan. This video we are going to see some of the background values in CSS3. There are a lot of background values such as like a background color, background image, background position and so on. So this video we are going to cover some of those. Let's jump into the VS Code and you can see the index.html which has the default content and has the header called background image and color. And under the images, I have downloaded some of the images for the background purpose. For example, here you can see some of the backgrounds. And basics.css will not have anything as of now, and we can see. The first thing we are going to see is like a background color. The background color can be applied to any tag level also, or you can apply at the body level. If you apply at the body level, it will cover entire body, what you see in the web page. Initially, it does not have any CSS. That's why you are seeing the plain page and you will be seeing the header, background image and color. And let's apply for H1 tag and look for the background color. Make something and just save it and see the output. The background has been applied only to the area where the H1 tag was applied. Let's say I'm going to change H1 to body. That means that it will be applied to the entire body. Here you can see the background color has been applied to the entire body. Now let's see some more things like background image. Let's say you have some image that you want to apply as a background for your web page. So for that, you will be using the URL method. Inside the method, you will be just placing the place for that, or where actually your images are presented. And save it. Here you can see the background image. However, the background image has been having the different, let's say, repetition. Since the background image has been fully covered, even you can see this by using the very other a small background. Let's see, just let me delete BG11. And you can see the same image has been repeated multiple times in order to cover the entire web page, in order to cover the body area. So for that, we can use, just to control the repetition, we can use background repeat. And by default, it will be repeat. Now we will be just mentioning no repeat. And save it. Here you can see the background color has been the same, the previous color, and the image has been applied only once. It does not have any repetition. Let's say you want to have repetition only in the x-axis, you can mention repeat x and save it. And here you can see the output. The image has been repeated only in the x-axis. The similar fashion for the y-axis. Here you can see the image has been repeated only in the y-axis. Next one, we will be seeing the background color. So as of now, I will mention as a no repeat. So that you will be having only one image. Let's say, for example, I want this image to be covered the entire body. So in that scenario, I will be using the background size. And let's say by default, it will be auto. Contain will be just having for the specific dimension, which has to be same size so that it will not change its, let's say, the intrinsic value. For that, let's say just to cover, we will be using the cover. Let's save it. And you can see the same image has been used to cover the entire body area. However, there is a trade-off between your, let's say, the pixel size or let's say the clarity of your image to the entire background. So this way we have understood. So what is background color? Background color can be applied at the tag level or it can be applied at the body level. And background image, whenever you want to have an image as a background, you will be using the URL method and you will be just passing the location of that your background image. And background repeat, if the image is so small, it could not cover the entire your page or your entire tag area, then it will repeat itself. By default, it will be repeat. In order to make not to repeat, you will be mentioning the no repeat, or if you want to repeat only in the x-axis, you will be mentioning the repeat x. In case if you want to only repeat in the y-axis, you will be giving the repeat y. In background size, we can just make sure that the image size has been adjusted to cover the entire area so that you will be using the cover. In similar fashion, it will be auto. That means that it will not make any changes. Let's say, for example, if you just change auto and save it here, you can see the image is as it is. So it does not change anything, so that it will not cover the body also. Just to make sure that it covers entire body, then you will be mentioning the cover. So the image will be resized so that it will cover the entire page. So this way we have understood some of the background values such as like a background color, image, repeat, and size. The remaining other parts will be discussed in the coming video. So thanks all, thanks for watching and have a great day.